Brett Blakemore from SummitGuitarSchool.com. Today I am teaching you Come and Go by Juice WRLD. It features Marshmello. It also features some cool guitar parts, so therefore we're doing it on the guitar today. You won't need a capo. It's in standard tuning. Let's do this thing. Do me a favor, follow the link in the description, head over to the website and subscribe to our newsletter for a free bonus lesson once a month. I won't spam you, I promise. And follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We really appreciate the support. All right, so let's talk about this intro. It's played on like a keyboard, but we are going to do it on guitar, all right? Because I know you guitar people out there want to learn this. So check it out. You got to get a D minor shape. All right, so that's middle finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string, index, 1st fret, 1st string. And you're going to go, with your pick, you're going to go 4th string, 2nd string, 3rd string, 1st string. Like that. So 4th string, 4th string, 2nd string, 3rd string, 1st. And then a little tricky part, it's kind of a C, but if you want to play it and make it sound exactly after that, like the recording, you really only need your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, 5th string, and I'm gonna pluck with my pick that 5th fret or that 5th string with that 3rd fret, and then my index or my middle, I'm sorry, is also gonna pluck that 1st string open. So we got 4th, the 2nd, 3rd, 1st, and then like that. So I'm plucking the 5th string, 3rd fret, and then the 1st string open. You can either use your middle or your ring finger. Like that. It kind of gives it more of that sound of the song. So, and then you're going to do a G minor, but we're not going to do a bar chord. I'm going to make it easy on you guys. We're going to go, so we're going to put our index, 3rd fret, 6th string, middle finger, 3rd fret, 3rd string, 3rd finger, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 2nd string. So 3rd fret, 3rd fret, 3rd fret. So you're gonna go 6th string, 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string. And then you do a B flat major 7th. And you strum it. So and when you do this, you're gonna put your index, 5th string, 1st fret, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 4th string, middle finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, pinky, 3rd fret, 2nd string, and you just strum those. You don't really, it's technically a bar chord, but you don't really have to make it a bar chord. You could just strum from the 5th string through the 2nd string, and then you won't have to bar and make it awkward if you don't want. If you do want to, you can, but that 1st string really doesn't ring in that spot. So that's, all right, 1st fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret. So that whole intro again. And then like that. 5th string, 3rd fret, open on the 1st. That's too hard. You strum the full C chord. Alright. That's 3, 2, open 1. So if you wanted to, it does sound kind of good that way. And then G minor. And then just like that. That's that whole intro. Now, you've got this power chord section here. In the intro here, I played it here, 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 here. So let's do that. So, and you can either do a 2-finger or a 3-finger power chord. Either way, all these shapes remain the same. So the strumming this is a little tricky. So you got a D minor, a C, a G minor, and a B flat power chord. All right, it's kind of Kurt Cobain-ish here. So you're gonna put your index, 5th fret, 5th string, 3rd finger, 7th fret, 4th string, and if you want the 3-finger power chord, which sounds a little fuller, it's more of a bigger sounding chord, you put your pinky right behind that 3rd finger at the 7th fret, 3rd string. You can get away with just 2 though. I like the 3-finger power chord. Might as well challenge yourself if you never do that one. So it's here, and then you go to C, which is the 3rd fret. So let's just work through these chords first. 3rd fret, 5th fret, 3rd fret, and you go to the 6th string, 3rd fret, 6th string, 6th fret. D minor, or D power chord, C power chord, G power chord, B flat power chord. Now they're not major or minor because there's no 3rd in this chord, so they don't need to worry about calling them major or minor at this point. Alright, so the strumming thing that happens here. you could, if that's too hard, and I'll break it down, you could just go just eighth notes, just downs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and but I'm gonna show it to you guys the way it goes. So it goes down, down, mute, up, up, down, down, up, down, down. So down, down, mute. When I mute, I just pick up my fingers, leave them exactly where they are. I just make it so it's just a muted sound. So down, down, mute, up, up, down, down, mute, up, 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 down, down, mute, up, up, down, down, mute, 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 up. Literally, that's it. You could just go. If you wanted it really easy. Down, 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 down. All right, now, so your first interlude guitar solo thing. So all I'm doing is 3rd fret with my middle finger, 3rd fret, 4th string. Index is going to play the 2nd fret, 3rd string. So going right back, 3, 2, 3. Then my pinky, or whatever note you want to, whatever finger you want to reach with, you can use your 3rd or your pinky. I'm going to use my pinky. I'm going to play the 5th fret, 3rd string. So, and then I'm going to go 2 on the 3rd string, 3 on the 3rd string, and then back to 2 on the 3rd string, and then 3 on the 4th string. So, and then I go 5th fret, 4th string, and then back to the 5th fret, 3rd string, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5. All right, so that's from the beginning of it. Reach into that 5th fret with my 3rd finger. So, and then 5th fret, 4th string, 5th fret, 3rd string, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 5, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 5, 2, 3, 2, 5, and that's literally it. That just repeats over and over, all right? So the chords for this thing literally remain the same throughout. So once you know this, right, you pretty much got it. So then we've got the last lead line of the song, and it goes like this. So you're going to put your pinky on the 8th fret, 1st string, middle finger, 6th fret, 1st string, index on the 5th fret, 1st string, and you walk it down. You go 8, 6, 5, 6, 5, 8, 6. So that's 8, 6, 5, 6, 5, and then your middle finger plays the 6th of the 2nd string, and then it goes, then it stays here. So the first time, 8, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6 on the 2nd string, and then 8, 6, 5, 6, 5 on the 1st string, and then you do 8, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6 on the 2nd string, and then you go 8 on the 2nd string with your pinky, and then 5, 6, 8 on the 1st string, and then 8 on the 2nd string. So that's the last bit. So the first bit, and then it goes, and then it walks back up. 8, 5, 6, 8, 8. That's how it goes.